Hi, welcome to Simply Dan Homestead. I'm out of breath. I've been so busy today. I'm going to show you what we've been doing. So this was one of the raised beds that had all the squash bugs in it. And it came down today. And then these are our green beans and some okra, zinnias. Whew, some tomatoes. I picked a bunch of peppers yesterday. There's one. Our banana peppers. Some more okra. And then over here, right there. Let's see if I can zoom you in. It's all the rotten wood from that raised bed burning. Today we also got our first load of hay, 34 bales. We have 2 more to the side. And this is a very special day because we're moving the meat birds. Thank God. Y'all, they stink. Whoo, boy, do they stink. They've been in this water trough and hard as you try. They're stinky. So we'll be back. We're gonna move those and put them in their new home. All right, not only do we have 26 meat birds, we also get the rewards of the deep bedding from the water trough. And that's going on our compost. Ain't that right, boss?
That's right.
And the chicks seem to love their new home. They're pecking at the grass. Yep. We're gonna put the heat lamp out here. Kevin says maybe, because they've been getting in the 50s. It's been getting in the high 50s, but I don't want them to get cold. So, there you have it. Here's the other hens. They think Kevin has a treat. He's just dumping the compost though. Hey Gus, give us a crow, Gus. All the girls happy to be out on the grass. Happy, happy chickens. We got the lawn mowed today, and it's always such a good feeling when your lawn gets mowed after a heavy rain. Oh. Well, I've got more work to do. I had to go sweep out the shop and get that hay we dropped on the floor out of there. And I just wanted to give you an update and let you know what was going on in the homestead. Hope you all having a great Sunday, and be blessed and love well. We'll see you next time, y'all. Hey, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm almost at 1,000. So if you can help me out, that'd be fantastic. Thank y'all. Be blessed and love well.